Here I've got V-Mobile S39 and let me show you how to change screen timeout on the following device. So at first, let's open the settings, then scroll down, find and select display. It's here. And now go to sleep. And here you can change the display timeout, so you can pick 15 seconds, 30 seconds, 1 to 5 minutes, 10 minutes, or even 30 minutes. So I will pick, for example, 5 minutes. And that's it. You've just changed the screen timeout, name sleep in here, and your device will switch off the display after 5 minutes on inactivity now. So that would be all. This is how you can change screen timeout in your V-Mobile. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.